What's good, guys? GFX Trader back here. Guys, the past week I chopped EURUSD with the buys. The buys were very beneficial, like a lot. Like the buys, I chopped buys last week, and the market is kept on buying. Even now, it's still buying, but I think it's time for it to retest a bit. So let me go to the weekly time frame. I wanna see something. Let me start off by removing my zones. I want to remove the zones because I want a clean chart. Let me remove all my zones. For those who are new on the channel, zones are places whereby when the market touches, the market reverses and it creates a bigger movement. If you didn't know what zones are, from now on you know. And please keep on using zones because they are very beneficial, especially if you're a price action trader. Let me go to the monthly time frame. I want to remove everything because I want to start over with a clean chart. Still removing everything. I'm happy when I see buys in the market, especially when they are very beneficial. Because long-term buys are very, very, very beneficial. Let me highlight my zones. I'm going to highlight a lot, because this is currencies, you have to highlight as many as you can. There's no limit of how many zones you can highlight. Just highlight whereby when the market touches, the market reverses. Those are zones, easy and simple as that. And they create bigger movements whenever they reverse and retest. Let me draw this trend line. This trend line, I'm drawing it on the monthly time frame. Still hoping buys are going to be beneficial. But from the way I'm looking at the market on the 1 hour time frame, I think it's time for the market to retest a bit. And then we'll keep on looking for buys. Let me go to the weekly time frame. I'm still highlighting more zones. As I've said, with currencies you can highlight as many zones as you can. As long as you see a zone, highlight it. As many as you can. But I know with gold and some other indices, it's very different. You do not need to highlight a lot of zones. I do not need to highlight a lot of zones, but I'm making you to I'm helping you to understand how to highlight zones. Because according to me, I do not need a lot of zones. Let me go to the daily time frame. The market opened with sales. I couldn't even trade that time. Because I wasn't awake at that time. I saw it came with the sales, but it ended up buying. And this video is going to be dropped after the New York session has opened. So you obviously are going to see buys on the market because of the impact of the New York session. If I analyze before the New York session, we are going to catch the buys. Because I'm so late. But hey, the market never stops, pa. The market is always operating not 24/7, but Monday to Friday, except for cryptocurrencies, the bitcoins, the likes of bitcoins, they do not close. They operate every week. So guys, let's make sure we keep on subscribing to the channel. We are growing. I want to share this skill with everyone. Everyone. I want everyone to know this skill. I want us to master. I want to help those who are struggling to master the skill, when it comes to forex trading, So this channel can be beneficial to anyone, I do not specifically mean that this is for beginners only. Nah. Even if you're a profitable trader, you are not perfect, So you still have to learn. Even if you're a profitable trader or whatnot, you still have to learn. This trend line, I think I'll throw it on the other time frames, because I do not see it properly here. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. highlight my zones. I need to go to the 1 hour time frame, guys. Let me know what, like, if these videos are beneficial, or you want me to like analyze indices and gold much more, because like I'm more of like a currency person, I do not like indices that much. I think it's time for the market to retest. Not saying I control the market. Look, 1, 2, 3, it broke out, then it came back inside. Hey, there was big manipulation for the sellers. So those who thought gold was going to sell for the whole day, for sure, the market manipulated their setups and their trades. That's what I do not like. I don't like trading that much on Mondays. I mean, sometimes I do not even trade on Mondays, because like, why should I trade on Mondays? I prefer trading on like other trading days except Monday, because like you gotta give the market a chance to like breathe, so that you can see like a proper bigger movement. All in all, I think EURUSD is going to retest. I don't know, but it's going to retest. At this zone that I'm highlighting, I just need sales till there. Then we'll look for buys after that. So like, let's keep on looking for sales on EURUSD. I'm going to sell EURUSD. Yes, I'm going to sell EURUSD, because like, if it break out of the resistance, that means it is a manipulation. Because I know if it breaks my setup, if it breaks out the resistance, it's going to come back. I don't know when, but it needs to come back to retest this trend line that I'm drawing. The market cannot just like go up like it's nothing. So I'm going to look for sales up until there. I want to move my stop loss a bit like to the top side, from the highest point, like, so that if I know when the market touches the end, it does not reverse, then that means my setup was like not respected. If it hit my stop loss, I'll come back to trade like tomorrow. Not saying overall I always like hit stop losses, but like, yes, as we all know, like the market doesn't have like someone who is like perfect. So that's it from me, guys. I'm looking for sales on EURUSD. Signing out, GFX trader. Peace out.